Good afternoon, everybody. We are back, and it's actually kind of nice outside. It's a little cool. It says it's 60 degrees and sunny out there. The sun is nice, but it's still pretty chilly. We got Dark Bro, F-I-R-S-T, first in the chat. Dark Bro, baby. Guess who's back? Back again. Dark Bro's back. To Tank Bro. We get Dark Bro, Kombu, Dark Bro, Michael. We get Dark Bro, Michael, Kombu, Michael, Dark Bro, Michael, Gorilla. Not nice, Michael, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Michael, Dark Bro, Kombu, Dark Bro, Tim, Dark Bro, Frank, not nice, Tim, Kombu, Dark Bro, Chris, not nice, Whit Reed. Thank you very much for the super chat. Whit Reed says, only down 400 on Shib total this year. Boom, baby, boom. That means we're still going down for the year, which kind of sucks. But 400, man, I don't know what that's in comparison to, but 400 is not bad compared to what a lot of people lost at the end of 2021, going into 2022 there. So, yeah, dude, not bad at all, Whit Reed, and thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro. That last one was pretty good. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. Whit Reed, you as well, man. Not nice says Shib is no good. Johannes Kreikenhammer, good evening to you, my friend. And Tim, what's going on, Tim? Definitely digging the Bitcoin BTH action today. Heck yeah, man. Bitcoin touching 31,400 a minute ago. Let's check the market outside and see what's going on, guys. AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, $9.16. Came down this afternoon, as did the overall market. 0.88% higher on the day. Shiba Inu coin, 727. Go. Shib. 7 points per coin since where we were earlier in the live stream. But nonetheless, a 1.89% gain today. I will take literally any gain at all. Guys, if you string together 1% every day, you are going to be stinking rich. So let's go, Shiba Inu coin. GameStop finishing dead even today at $13.44. Bitcoin 31,000. I'm dyslexic, man. $31,424. We had some intraday resistance in this level. Broke that bad boy. Now the intraday resistance is in this level. Anybody think we're gonna break that bad boy? Let us know what you guys think. Oh, Michael Allen! Pff. Dank, bro. Dank, bro. Dank Bro. Is Dank Bro the new Dark Bro? I think it is. Dark Bro, change your name, but you can't change it back very quick. Thank you very much, Michael. Indubitably. Fist bump. Fist bump. Fist bump. Fist bump, baby. Indubitably. Thank you very much for the fist bump, Michael Allen. Thank you very much for the fist bump as well. And we got Dark Bro Whit Reed on the screen, man. Don't forget those guys. We got the SPY 420. 420 on the SPY. 420.46 at the close, 0.17% lower today. The NASDAQ coming down into the end of the day, finishing at 355. Wow, 355.67. That actually fell pretty low compared to where it was. Interesting. I opened this was the craziest afternoon, man. I opened a put in this area right here, right after the live stream. It was a stinking beautiful open. 16 cents on the 356s. 16 cents. Beauty, right? Came down, didn't take it. It was during the live. Or no, this was after the live, didn't take it. Came right back up. All right, now I'm like break even. This stupid thing channeled in this area all afternoon long. Finally broke down, and I did get out, I believe, on this candle right here, which was nice. It was a profit, looking good. And, dude, into 10 minutes into the close, man, 350, it was excellent because they were trading at like a cent. And then came back all the way down here and would have been at about 30 cents at the close, which is where I got out. 31 cents is where I got out. It would have closed the day at 33 cents. After the spread, probably exactly where I got out. So not bad at all, man, but dangerous activity playing into the close like that and sitting on them for that long. Mullen Auto, 22 cents, man. Mullen Auto sitting at all-time lows. Guys, how low do you actually think Mullen Auto is going to go? I say, well, they could actually split it before it gets there. I say it's going back down to 10 cents again. But they could split it before we get down to 10 cents. You think it's going to get back down to the 10 cent area? Let me know what you guys think. Sundial, $1.41, doing nothing but coming down over the last couple of weeks, man. $2.36 to $1.41 on Sundial. Getting ready to fall through this major level of support right here. All-time lows? Yeah, at $1.25. Watch out for Sundial. All-time lows at $1.25. Getting ready to be retested here. You don't want to see that happen. Netflix, $4.06. Hycroft Mining, 32 cents. MPW, $4.61. Tesla, $2.12.08. Amazon, $1.26. And I put Apple at the top of the screen here because I was playing those puts earlier and wanted to see, and Apple did finally break down through that level of support, and it really heavily brought the QQQ down as well. So we got Apple on the screen, closing at $1.73 flat, 0.07% higher today after literally channeling in this stupid area all day. If it would have broke earlier, it would have been a beautiful, beautiful play. If it never bounced off this level right here, if it just came down, that would have been a beautiful play. Still was nice, end with a profit, but wish it would have erased all of this and just came down here instead of there. We're going to watch Bitcoin, though, because Bitcoin touching $31,000, almost $500. Guys, daily, we are right here, man. We are right here at these wicks. 31.8. 31.8. Okay. Wow, that's not even in 2023. We are at the highest. If we could bust 31.8, we're going to touch the highest levels in 2023. If we can break 32, guys, we are ripping. Please keep an eye on Bitcoin. Massive strength today, up about 5%. But if we break 31.8 and rip through 32, yeah, I'd say game on with that one. So please keep an eye on it, man. Clever, this LFG coin is making me seasick. Dark Bro, let's see LFG. Dude, it's one of the most volatile coins you've picked out in quite a while. Chrome. Big whale coin. Let's see, LFG. Yeah, dude, that volatility earlier was nuts. Up 50%, up 27%. Dude, giving back the entire gain today, coming back down to, I don't know, 86 points per coin there. That is crazy, man. Touching 82, back up to 86. Dark, it's not going to take much money to make this thing jump, though. If you get somebody to come in with $1,000, man, I don't know, Dark. I don't know. If you get somebody to come in with $1,000, you're going to be doubling your money from these current levels. I think you might be down on your trade right now. But yeah, if you get somebody to come in with $1,000, you're going to be doubling your money from these current levels. And if they sell, dude, you're right back down here. You know, you're sitting on $2,000 volume and then, boop, it jumps up to $2,600. It's like a $600 sell, and it drops all the way back down here. So a little bit of money makes that coin pop around, dude. That is for sure. Which coin I have to buy now for a small amount? Venshika. Which coin do you want to buy right now? Let's talk about it that way. Let's see if people agree that it's a good idea, bad idea if you buy that coin. Not Nice says Hex. Go in with Hex. Bitcoin going back to 11,000. Oh, dude, Bitcoin going back to 11,000. Not nice, man. The only way Bitcoin's going back to 11,000 is if we start WW3 and if the SEC comes out and says no ETF approval, come at us. If we get those two things, yeah, I'd say you're right. Bitcoin back down to 11,000. But the way things are going right now, it's not headed to 11,000. It's headed back up to 40,000. Let's put it that way. I might take my jacket off. I got a slight headache today. I didn't really drink anything. I drank a little bit of coffee in between the live streams. But I feel like I might be on the verge of just like slight dehydration. So either authorize it or I'm taking some unauthorized because I don't want no headache. But it might just because I'm a little warm right now with this jacket on, so I might take that off. I'm from Dubai. Time is 12:06. Can I buy Hex now? Yeah, so Vanshika, you should be able to buy Hex like whenever you want, man. I don't think there's any limit on when you can buy a crypto coin. Keep it clean, Rich. Keep it clean. Yeah, Rich, keep it clean, man. Let's see. Okay, calm down. I'm here. Moji, I was all nervous, man. I was nervous that you wouldn't be here. I really was. Hex not in Binance. Benchika. If it's only Binance's coin, guys, help this man out with a Binance coin that you want. I'm still down 24%. Dark, bro. All you need is like a $200 buy, and you're back up to your break-even level. Let's see. We have to buy Ethereum and swap it for Hex. There you go. Not Nice is helping him out. Hex. Not Nice is the Hex man right now. Let's see where we're at here with Hex. What do we got going on with Hex? Now, I forget that guy, Richard Hart, or whatever his name is. I actually forget that guy. But you got a lot of people who really, really support that, man. So keep that in mind. $1.6 billion market cap. Wow, Hex has a beautiful 7-day graph. Holy moly. Wow. Hex is up 224% over the last 7 days. That's phenomenal. 189% over the last month. Wow. Over the last year, that's a nice curl up, but watch out. You are in some resistance in the area we're touching here at about a penny. Keep that in mind, guys. Dude, I'm not going to lie. Hex could fall. Yes, that's an absolute possibility here. But, and the circulating supply is, what, almost a third of the total supply here. So please watch out for that. But, dude, if it rips back up to the all-time highs at 50 cents, you're going to be making a lot of money on Hex. Hex did phenomenal in the last bull market. Question is, will it do phenomenal in the next bull market? I don't know, man. I don't know. But that's not a bad graph at all. And that's giving you some decent opportunity during the next bull market. Even if it only makes it halfway back up, you're still talking 25x gains. So, yeah, I don't mind Hex's chart. I just don't know anything about the dude that everybody loves. That's the thing. I just don't know about the dude that everybody loves. So, not Nice. If you want to shed some light on that dude that everybody loves, is his name Richard Hart or something? I forget what his name. Where Burrito? Where's Burrito? J-Bones! What's going on, J-Bones? Cheap Jasmine alert. Jasmine, let's check out Jasmine as well. Bitcoin hits 32. I'll have doubled. Question is, Moji, you holding? Or you doubling your money, man? You holding or doubling your money? That is wild because it is on its way right now. 31,500 being tested. That is crazy. I actually opened up 2 trades on Bitcoin in between the live streams there. I lost on one and gained more than I lost on the other one. So I was profitable on the day for Bitcoin. But I don't know. It was... I think it was right here. I think right here on this, I watched it curl over. Yeah, it probably was right here. I watched it curl over and went short on Bitcoin on crypto.com. I was going to just play this back down to support levels. Dude, wouldn't you know, I got in, and I forget exactly which one. It must have been the 31.2 that... It's either 31.2 or 31.3. But anyway, 31.2 or 31.3 was the stop loss right at that intraday high right there. And then it ticked back up immediately and tapped me out, which was fine. And then, no, I held through this right here. I think it might have been, that's why I got this line right here. So it started to tick back up after that. And I got back in around this line, this upper little blue line. So might have been on this candle, might have been over here. Forget exactly where. But went long right here. Made it through this decline. Thank goodness it didn't tap me out. And then it tapped me at 31.3 with a take profit. So 31.3, I was out on one of these candles right here. And so I held it about, I don't know, an hour, whatever time frame that is, and got out there. I couldn't hold. I couldn't hold beyond that at all because I was playing the up-down options on crypto.com. My take profit was 31.3. I think max they would have given me was 31.4, which I would have gotten tapped. That would have tapped me down here if I played the 31.4. So I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad I played the 31.3. Could have got back in, obviously, and it's doing phenomenal now. But it had a decent afternoon with Bitcoin options there and the volatility that's going on. And we are seeing nothing but strength, man. This is wild, the strength we get. WW3 feels closer than ever right now after what I've been seeing and reading. Yeah, Dark Bro, it really does, man. It really does. I hope, literally for the world's sake, that crap doesn't turn into WW3, man. I really do. We're going to 11,000, bro. Not nice. You really think so? Not far from you, Mosif. Nobody. You better make Clay do the Superman flight till he's hydrated and headache-free. Indubitably. Reminds me to hydrate. Thank you very much, indubitably. How high do you think Bitcoin, XRP, and Shib will get up to before the 2025 bull? Man. Giovanni, let me put it this way. Let's look at Bitcoin to kind of see if we can gauge. Let's look at Bitcoin on this one, because that's actually a good question, and I don't know the answer to that. And all I want to do, man, is base it on the previous cycles, because otherwise we're just guessing, right? Let's see. So the 2013 bull market takes you to $1,000. Now, before, where do you guys want to call the exponential rally in this 2017 run? You think it really starts to take off here? Or do you think it starts to take off like here? Where do you think the bull run really starts? So I'll let you guys hit that in the chat real quick. But before the bull run starts here, we busted a new all-time high, if you consider it this level. Otherwise, the exponential rally happened a little later. Now this one, look here. Now, does the bull run start technically in this area? Or does the bull run start when we hit a new all-time high? Getting ready to, at least. Maybe in this area right here, breaking through that resistance in 19,000. Boom, bull run. New all-time high. Now this one, we might be curling back up to break through this resistance right here. We might be starting the bull market, like we've said, with these lows around 15,000. But you get the exponential rally until you break this 60,000 level. Boom. And get the rally. Because, come on. It's not zooming up. If you see these, you don't start the exponential bull rally until you hit a new all-time high. From 2017, you don't start that exponential bull rally until you break that all-time high. We might not start that exponential bull rally until we break an all-time high, man. So that's an interesting question, and that's the best way that I could look at it right there. How high do I think that they're going to go up before the bull run even begins? Possibly all-time highs on Bitcoin. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I think Shiba Inu coin's probably going to be floating around and getting stuck at that 3,500 point per coin level. If it's going to rip to new all-time highs, that's a very, very strong level for Shib. And then XRP, man. I don't know if XRP, I don't think XRP is going to rip up to 350 and test its all-time high before it really starts a bull market. That was such an exponential, like crazy rally back here that I would say you're looking at the dollar at the $1.50 range before you really see things start to go wild with XRP. And that's just because this was nuts right here. So I would say your rally area is $1 plus. Maybe you got to make it all the way up to $1.50 before you get there. But yeah, dude, I think that the massive bull market rallies that take place Bitcoin is sick right now. The massive bull market rallies are on FOMO of people seeing all-time highs hit, and then they just got to get in. This is beautiful. 31,700 on Bitcoin with nothing but strength in the way right now. Literally, 31.8 is what we need to break to touch an all-time high this year. 31.8 is what we've got to break, guys, and we are sitting here with nothing but strength today. I was talking to my dad earlier. I don't know if he's watching right now or not, but yeah, man, you know, we could be on the verge of a bull market beginning. You guys better be prepared if we are. And now we could absolutely, like I said, we got the negativity going on in the world right now. But, dude, don't miss out on this run if we run. Whoo! What the heck does YouTube automatically delete comments in live chat with certain things said? Wait, Reed, that they do, man. That they do. And somebody may have deleted it in here. If you said something bad, somebody may have deleted it. But if I never saw it come across, yes, YouTube auto deletes messages and does not let them come through if you say certain things, man. Good afternoon, John. What's going on, man? When is it not hit 90% before? Oh, why would this be different this time? And not nice. I'm not sure what we're talking about on that one. Not found a Binance. Van Shika. Okay, other coin guys in for small amount. Hey, let Van Shika know if you guys want to show a little coin. What Reed? You being bad? You better not be. Or Coinbase wallet for not nice. But it got me wondering, do we still have time to accumulate more crypto coins, Clip? Yes. So Ben Ho, I absolutely believe that we do. Now, we do have some strength. It's not strength that we haven't seen before this year. We've seen this plenty of times. Okay? And in the grand scheme of things, if you're looking at the entire crypto market, we still might have another year to year and a half before we really see an exponential rally, man. If you're looking at that Bitcoin, 4-year cycle, we're not going to be moving till 2025. We're not going to see that exponential rip. This one back here, this one back here, this one up here. We're not going to see that exponential rip, possibly to 100 to 150,000 on Bitcoin until 2025, dude. This is the action we're seeing right now. Beautiful, nice uptrend, right? We had a beautiful, nice uptrend right here when Bitcoin went from $4,000, $3,000 to $9,000, $12,000, $13,000. I mean, that's a beautiful run. Then it leveled off for an entire year, and then boom, baby, bull market begins. So, yeah, this could be beautiful. 2x gain from the 15,000 lows up to 30,000. We might pull back 25, 20,000 if something's going on. And then same time frame takes place with this bear market here. And then, boom, rips up 100, 150, $200,000. And I want you guys to know, too, I'm making those numbers up in my head based on the previous bull and bear market cycles. I don't know that Bitcoin is going to go to 150,000. Robert Kiyosaki doesn't know that Bitcoin is going to touch 130,000. Kevin O'Leary doesn't know that Bitcoin is going to go to $250,000. These guys don't know where Bitcoin is going to go. It's only going to go as high as the market allows it to go. But I just want you guys to know that I'm basing mine on the previous bear and bull market cycles and how high it ripped up compared to the previous highs that were reached. So please know that I'm not sitting here guaranteeing you that Bitcoin is going to reach 150,000 or anything like that. Tomorrow is the launch of YieldMax's newest product, which begs to be called Mr. New York. MRNY. Mr. New York. I'll try to remember it. Which stock is that, Frank? Well, I sure ain't ready. But whenever it happens, I guess I have to wait. There you go, Dark Bro. A few coins, but would probably be my luck. Every coin I pick goes to zero. Nah, dude. Every coin you pick. If you're picking in a bull market, dude, you know what I want to do? And if you guys keep your eyes out, if they're developing any new layer 1 blockchains from now forward, let me know on that. Because we look at coins like Cashapp, for example. Dude, you look at Cashapp, for example, and it has performed phenomenally, touching that 5-cent level again. I mean, this is the kind of stuff that I want to get into. So if you guys are seeing any new layer 1 blockchains developed from now until the bull market begins, let me know. Or if you've got any coins that you truly believe in, let me know as well. But yeah, man, I think that we're on the up end now. We're gonna see some volatility pick up, but I still absolutely believe that we've got some bull market runs left. 31. Oh, now you guys, this is not rhetorical. I want an answer from you. With this strength right here, I say yes, but I want to know what you think. All-time annual high hit during the rest of this live stream. 31,820 something, 31.9 guarantees the all-time high. So what do you guys think? Do we hit an annual high during this live stream or not? This strength is ridiculous in Bitcoin, dude. It's ridiculous. AMC Trapper in the house, baby. What's going on, AMC Trapper? Clay, I really want to know. Did you get? I did not buy into Vegas Inu yet, Moji. I did not buy into Vegas Inu. You know, it was on a downtrend going into the weekend. Now that still doesn't mean that I won't buy into it, right? But we looked at the chart earlier, and it was stair-stepping its way down and at a major level of support. So if Vegas Inu breaks down through this level of support that it's at right here, it's crucial. There's no technical support left until you get back down here with a 50% loss. So I think it was, what time was this? The 20th, the afternoon stream. Would have been in this area. Yeah. So, dude, all we were doing that whole day was coming back down. I did not get in. I didn't see any decent entry points. And I'm, kind of glad that I didn't get in at this point. But you never know what's going to come next. So, no, I didn't get in. And, dude, honestly, this could be a perfect entry if it does bounce off this level, or a horrible entry if it breaks down through this level. So, I hope everybody in here knows just how crucial this support is at about 130 or 13 points per coin, whatever you want to consider it here. Because if it breaks down below 12, dude, you got no technical support until you see another 50% decline. So, no, I did not get in on Friday or over the weekend. 31.9 today, indubitably. 31.9. Let's go, man. 31.9. I think indubitably might be the only one listening to the live stream right now. If we go past 31.8, it's going to pop off. Ravi, let's get it. Push 31.5. Let's go, Bree Guy. Trip, say your name. It shows he's MC. Makes me think he's wearing those MC baggy pants. He might be, man. He might be. Check it out, friends. Crypto Master. What are we checking out? Oh, Shiba API Club. That's what you got. Bitcoin will do it yet. John, let's get it, man. Can't touch this. I need some insights on this Amber Phantom Butterfly. Airdropped into my wallet, please. Bender, I'm going to tell you this, man. Just don't trust it. I don't know. You can leave it in there if you want, but I wouldn't mess around with it, man. I wouldn't mess around with it. Let's see. OPN gonna pop again real soon. Kombu, I couldn't find OPN earlier. Where you got OPN at? The famous ones. I haven't seen any information on Shib Association. I actually looked this morning on their Twitter account, and I did not see anything new posted from Shib Association. I didn't see anything new posted at all from Shib Association, let alone anything about Shiba Inu coin. I'm listening, Clay Bro. Yes, you are, indubitably. Clay Bro, what's up, my man? Recovered after that Friday stream? Brian, I did, dude. I did. That Friday stream was a lot of fun, dude. The excitement was through the roof on that stream, and that might be why I still have a slight headache. It's because I'm still recovering from that Friday stream. I'm mainly focusing on smaller projects because I want exponential gains. And, dude, you'll probably, look, if this bear market, here's what I would suggest as well, Dark Bro, and you guys don't have to go out and do this, but one of the things that you're going to want to look for coins that were created during this bear market. So, for example, if you look at Chainlink, when did Chainlink come out? Chainlink came out right at the tail end of that rally. 2017 rally. Chainlink came out, beautiful blockchain, and then check this beautiful cryptocurrency, and then check this bad boy out during that bull market. Literally running from 20 cents up to 40, almost $50 a coin. Let's see, XRP's been out. I have no idea what Loom Network is. Loom Network, it did not perform as well during the rally there. But Loom Network also came out during that bear market. It was touching levels at 1 cent, ran all the way up to 23 cents. And my goodness, dude, Loom has been ripping over the last couple of days here, going from 3 cents to 33 cents, and then back down. Loom's been going crazy over the last couple of weeks. Look at this month. 3 cents, dude. 3.8 cents to 35 cents since September. And you can't see it. That's crazy. 3 cents to 33 cents right there. That's a crazy move on Loom. So watch for stuff that's being created now that's going to be getting a ton of hype during the next bull market. I still believe that we're going to see altcoins hitting all-time highs, right? But the ones that are coming out now that have the $1 million, $2 million, $5 million, $10 million market caps, they could potentially reach $1 billion, $5 billion, $10 billion during the next bull market rally. Those are the ones that you might want to go in and have some lottery ticket plays with. 10, 20 bucks, and you know, nothing you're going to get upset about. Diversify into some of those, but those could lead to exponential gains. Have you heard about the Shiba Ape Yacht Club? I have not. It's a new NFT project on Shibarium. They sold over 40% already. Crypto Master. I've not heard about them. Shiba Ape Yacht Club. You got a Twitter account? Well, looks like ad time. Oh, it does. Let me know if you guys get one ad, or if you skip the second ad and watch 2 of them. I would greatly appreciate it. Oh, you guys got an ad. Felt like the good old days on Friday. It did feel like the good old days on Friday, AMC Trapper. It really did, man. People were going wild on Friday, and I loved it. I sincerely thank you guys for all of that action on Friday, and all the super chats, all of the new green names. It was an awesome day, man. Let's see. Anybody have any luck getting on to MXC yet? I have not tried again, Kombu. Has anybody else tried to get on MXC? Oh, yeah. 31,750 and then 30,890. 775 Bree guy. You might be a little late. You might be a little late to the market there. But, dude, this is looking... I mean, it's still looking solid, man. It's still looking solid on this ascending trend line. Moji, remember, we kept him here about 7 with the super chats. Yeah, you guys did keep me with 2 hours overtime one time. That's insane. What happened with Vegas Inu? Vegas Inu, man. Vegas Inu falling down through those support levels and maintaining this one right here for the moment. Yeah, if this level is broken, though, guys, please, please, please be careful with Vegas Inu. This would be my line in the sand. If it falls down through this line, I did not get in. Moji was just asking about that. But it was about this area right in here after the live stream ended, somewhere in that area. And it had nothing but down action. You know, I like to buy after I see a nice curl back up and I see it starting to break through resistance. But every single step had not been broken back to the upside. So you had some little resistance or support right here. Couldn't break it. Broke down. Couldn't break it. Broke down. Never really gained. Broke down. Started to, but couldn't break the previous high. Breaking down again. Now, please be careful, because this is major. This is a major level that you're at right now, and I believe it could lead to a very, very quick fall to 69, 66 points per coin. Loop, yes, coming back down to watch Bitcoin right there. Bitcoin's my biggest holding, but for something building in the bear, I'm all over Paul Chain. Think this project has some massive upside. And Irani AI is another alt I've been keeping my eye on. Very nice. Brian Searing, man. Paul Chain, is that the one that Queenie was a part of? Is that Paul Swap? Are you in the one that Shitoshi likes because he's part of the team? Or are you in the one that Queenie was a part of? What's the news on Mexi? Bender. I hope these guys, can I finally use it in the U.S.? As far as I know, no. But I hope these guys realize that the SEC's kind of calming down a little bit, and they open up KuCoin again, and they open up Mexi again, because it's, dude, we need these exchanges to allow U.S. trades. Pudgy, wear YouTube moniker. That's what we need to know. John, gotcha, man. Google Fi Wireless. Watched the whole thing. 775 Bree guy. I think that's good, right? They sold to pay you in hopes of a pump. Moji, that would actually be pretty funny, man. If they were selling their Vegas Inu, so they could send some super chats, because they were hoping to pump Vegas Inu up. That obviously didn't work. That'd be like selling your truck for gas money. I don't know if they were doing that. That wouldn't necessarily be a very good idea, but would theoretically make sense as to why it continued to come down. I use Mexican California. No VPN. This dude's crazy, man. Kombu, do you really live in California? Kombu might think he lives in California, but Kombu might actually live in, like, I don't know, Switzerland. Kombu, are you sure you live in California, man? Paul Swap rebranded as Paul Chain. All right, Whit Reed, gotcha. Paul Swap and Paul Chain are the same. Okay, Paul Swap's the token, Paul Chain's the ecosystem. Gotcha. All right, Brian, that I did not know, man. So that's the one that Queenie was involved in then, right? Because you got Paul Swap and Paul Zone on CoinMarketCap here. This is the one you're talking about, right? Dude, I mean, talking 10x gains if you start to break back up through these resistance levels. If Queenie starts tweeting again, let me know. Oh, Bitcoin, here it goes. Bitcoin's pulling off that trend line. Look at this. Oh, man. Bitcoin's pulling off the trend line. It's going to break this little area right here on this candle, and it's going to go. We touching all-time highs in this live. I need to know right now. I say yes. Not all-time highs, sorry. Annual highs. I say yes. This is wild, man. Oh, my goodness. Let's put this new resistance level on the screen so we can see how high it breaks when it breaks it. We might need to go 5-minute on Bitcoin to get the actual daily run in here. Oh my goodness. When it asks where you reside, then you have to lie. I worry about sites like this. What happens if you try to cash out? Then what stops them from saying you lied and keep your money? Kai, nothing. Nothing, man. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know if they would be able to keep your deposits. But if they wanted to keep your gains, I honestly think that they would have claim to keeping your gains if they figured out you lied about where you were. I don't know if they can keep your deposits though, man. I don't know if they could do that. I'm thinking Pluto. Let's go, Moji. Gas fees high all day for me. Yeah, dude, Bender. With the level of activity we got going on, let's see what the volume for Ethereum is today. I imagine it's elevated because of all the gains we're seeing. Yeah. Volume for Ethereum today is 140% higher than the previous 24 hours. And with Ethereum ripping up to 1720. Ethereum is looking phenomenal right now with so much trading going on. Yeah, gas fees are definitely going to be elevated for Ethereum tokens. That's a huge increase in volume, man. That's a strong indicator that we are rising on massive volume. What was the volume for Bitcoin? 170% increase. Almost $27 billion traded in Bitcoin today. Wow. Guys, this is not just rising to rise. We are rising on a massive increase in volume, too. You got a lot of people coming in and buying. Kombu lives in a volcano triangle of Northern and California and Washington. How do we know that he lives there? Kai, no cash out. Transfer crypto out to Coinbase or something else. Yeah, actually, you do have to do that. And you always had to do that on KuCoin as well. Are you going to be on a little longer if we're almost there? Robbie. Oh, man. Is that going to make you answer yes or no? Because if that changes your answer, maybe I will. But I did not plan on it because I expect it to hit it before we get there. We are touching 31,774 right now. I'm going to put this at the all-time high. I'm going to put this line at the all-time high. Or the annual high. Sorry again. All right, 31,813. All right, 31,813 is the high. This 31,812 will indicate that. If we break this little blue line right here, we are touching annual highs. Get ready because we're going to do it right now. Oh my gosh. Bitcoin, 3, 2, 1. Blast off, Bitcoin. Come on, man. You're making me look dumb now. Bitcoin getting ready to test the annual high right here. Break it in 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Come on, Bitcoin. Give me $13, man. Just give me $13. Bitcoin ready to break that annual. Oh, did it do it? No, 8, 11, 13 there. Boom, baby. Annual high on Bitcoin right there. 31,821. I did not get the countdown perfect. That was off by about 10 seconds. But who cares? We hit it anyway. Man, that is absolutely insane. Bitcoin touching that annual high, and look at all of those traders coming in to take their profits. Look at all of those traders coming in to take their profits. They said, I've been waiting all year for this. They take their profits, and now they're getting out. Come on, Bitcoin bears. What are you doing? Moderna, mRNA, yield max. Oh, Marini, full disclosure. I likely will not be entering a position in mRNY. Let me say this, Frank. Full disclosure, I will not be entering a position in mRNY or mRNA. Just to let you guys know. It's full disclosure, there's no probably in mine, or there's no likely in mine. Hear a lot of people talking about how this movement on Bitcoin is a bull trap. What do you think, Clay? So, Brian, I personally do not think so, but anytime you're setting up for a bear bull market trap, you've got to look at these levels of resistance, okay? Right now, we're at a level of resistance. We just touched the annual high. You will run into take profits. You will run into take profits at the level we just did, and it's obvious that we just ran into those. We're pulling back from that level, okay? Now, I think that's just because people are taking their profit. Every single trade that would have been opened up since the beginning of 2023 was profitable right there 3 minutes ago when we were touching that all-time high. There wasn't a single Bitcoin position opened this year that was not profitable. So it's expected that you do run into a little resistance, run into a little profit taking. Now, is that a bull trap? I wouldn't call it a bull trap, man. I think a bull trap is something that you run into where people are manipulating the market a little bit, and they're literally trying to trap positions, okay? I don't think that's what we're seeing right here. I think that we're seeing some technical moves that, could lead to some profit taking, just like we saw. And now look, the bulls are buying back in, man. Look at ETF news. All right, Michael, we're going to look at it. Brown sounds bullish. Brown sounds bullish? Moji says Infinity Meow with Bitcoin. Let's get started. Sheesh, come on, don't fail now. Can they go buy some LFG? Dark Bro, that would be nice. If LFG goes to $1, Dark Bro is going to be doing very, very well. Let's get started. Let's go, Sake. Shiba API Club, is that what it is? Let's do it, man. Clay needs to stay on until a new high is confirmed. I'm thinking about whether or not I even want to say this. I was thinking, if you guys get me to 1 million subscribers, I would stay on until a new all-time high was confirmed on Bitcoin. But, dude, I might be literally sleeping in front of this camera here for years. That's not worth it, man. You know, Mr. Beast counting to 100,000, I get it. There's an end in sight, but this dude's trying to make me stay on. I think a lot of people would tune in to see that, but there's literally no end in sight. You can't do it with no end. You got to have an end in sight. I can't be sitting in front of this camera for years. That would be insane. Let's see. No mRNA, no mRNY. Yes, sir. Shiba Ave Yacht Club. Let's go. Crypto Master. I like it, man. Not new yearly high. I mean, yeah, you mean like a new all-time high, right? Or do you mean just a new yearly high? If you mean a new yearly high, okay. But, dude, if you're talking $70,000 Bitcoin, no, that ain't going to happen. I think I would probably die if I tried to sit here that long. I was literally sitting in this chair for years, like carried the camera to the bathroom or something. Dude, that would be wild, man. Look at these profit takers. What are they doing taking profit like this? Oh, man, if I had my other phone up here, I might enter a short position on Bitcoin right now. Is these guys bring it back down through this level of support, breaking the beautiful ascending trend line that we have had all afternoon long here. My goodness. Some heavy profit taking at that annual high taking place right now. Roth long-term retirement portfolio combined to close up 0.65%. Today's top stocks: number 1, Coney. Number 2, Nvidia. Number 3, today's champion of the portfolio, WBA. Very nicely done, Frank. 0.65%. That actually outperformed the overall market because the SPY closed down 0.17%, and the NASDAQ, or the QQQ, closed up 0.30%. So Frank actually beat the overall market today. Very nice done. Peeps, do it on TikTok. Come on, man. Yeah, but do they really, though? Do they really stay on live like 24/7? Find that hard to believe that they're on 24/7. Yearly high. Robbie, we might be ripping back for it right now, man. I might stay on for it. Let Bitcoin outpace altcoins for a while. That's a recipe for an alt season. It is. Old rounder. You're absolutely right, man. You're absolutely right. As soon as people see the confidence in Bitcoin, as soon as people see Bitcoin ripping again, that's when these altcoins gain their confidence. People move their Bitcoin gains over into some altcoin gains, and boosh, you see some all-time highs being ripped on altcoins as well. So, old rounder's correct on that one, guys. I'm so relieved I bought VIT when I did. I didn't have anything ending in ENU to throw my money into. Tim, it's a great thing, isn't it? It's a great feeling buying into another ENU. Oh my gosh, man. We need a Claybro ENU coin now. Sorry, I shaved some Bitcoin profits and played it down on Crypto.com. Oh, dude, that's not a bad thing at all. I mean, if you're doing that right now, it's not a bad thing at all. Touch that, literally. Tim, did you enter right here? Or did you enter up here, or where? I'll put a line on there for you right now. But, yeah, dude, if it turns back over it, hopefully it doesn't break up through that line. If it breaks up through that line, I think you're going to be going on a little run. I'd watch that. But, yeah, man, those Bitcoin options on Crypto.com are crazy. If you guys want a link to Crypto.com, make sure to check it out. But just to explain it, you got to have at least $500 in your account to open the position up. And what they let you do is you put a take profit. So if you're going to be playing it long, right? If you want to go long on Bitcoin, you put your take profit, let's say at 32,000. That's your take profit line right here. $500 spreads always. 32,000, you're coming all the way back down to 31,500 right here. This line would be your stop loss. You can keep the position open for like a week until it either taps one of these, or you can close it immediately if you want. You can close it anytime. Doesn't have to make it all the way up, doesn't have to make it all the way down. But for $500, because they're allowing you this spread right here, you essentially buy one Bitcoin. They let you trade one full Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes from 31,700 here up to 32, you make $300. If it falls back down to 31,500, you lose $200. And then it's going to close you out with a $200 loss or close you out with a $300 gain. You literally get to buy Bitcoin and buy the price action on Bitcoin. You can't trade that Bitcoin. You can't like take it off the exchange or anything. You can trade the price action on Bitcoin for a $500 spread. Now, clearly, if you get $500 on there and you lose 200, you're going to be losing nearly 50% of your money in one trade. So it is leveraged. It's pretty crazy like that. But if you live in the United States and you've got access to Crypto.com, If you use the link in the description below, I think you get 25 bucks. Otherwise, I mean, I don't know if you're going to get any reward if you don't use a link. Let's see. Tim is the bear that took profits. Tim, yes, Tim is the one that did it. He saw that all-time annual high being hit, and he took his profits right there. I knew Tim was the cause for that pullback. I'll even take Dork Lord to $1. Oh, yes, dude, Dork Lord. I forgot all about that. Is Dork Lord doing okay, Dark Bro? Clay, I'm looking at buying Zion Oil and Gas. What do you think of the charts? Zion Oil and Gas. Let's see here. Man, if you would have, this is looking pretty good. Like it wants to test this 31.5. Are we talking about this one? It's over-the-counter stock, huh? If you're talking about this, man, I don't like it. If you're talking about this, I don't like it. Okay? Average volume is 200 shares. 200 bucks. Average volume. You literally go day after day with no shares traded. If you're talking about this one, man, I do not like that chart. If that's the one you're talking about. Crypto Q from Allentown, MSOL token, check it out. Quentin, Washington, let's check it out. It's Crypto Q from Allentown, MSOL. Are you talking this one? Marinade Staked? Is that what you're talking about? MSOL? Is Lunk dead? The yo man yo. Lunk is dying. Okay? Lunk is on the verge of dying right now. Why do I say that? People are getting mad that they're not receiving paychecks. And Terra Luna Classic is sitting at these all-time low levels. Go back on the annual graph and you can see that it's done nothing but go down for a year. This is a major level of support, however, which could end up being very good for Terra Luna Classic. Yeah, I'm never going to be able to pull that graph out. And I can't pull this one out any further. Can't pull that one out any further. Lunk is dying, dude. If the developers give up on it, and if they abandon it, I mean, it's going to be dead until somebody else picks it up. So please just watch out for that. Now, if there were a Donk Lord coin, I'm in. Moji, let's get started. Yeah, win Donk Lord. That's what we need to know. It's doing better than LFG. Oh, really? Well, that's because LFG is a wild coin, man. Let's see. Dude, Tim is actually killing it right now. I don't know when Tim opened that position up, but Tim did very well. Same, if you're looking at this ascending trend line and you finally broke the ascending trend line here, this would have been an excellent entry into a short position on Bitcoin right here, especially if it was leveraged on crypto.com. Boom, man. You already made 200 bucks on that trade, and it's getting ready to touch your take profit down here at 31,500 in a matter of like 6 minutes. That would have been insane. I'm actually up about 10% on Dork Lord. Very nice, Dark Bro. That was it. I'll stick to crypto. Good. No, that was a bad chart, man. The volume is way too low. The volume's way too low. You'd buy in, say you bought $100 into that stock right there. You actually might cause a decent bounce yourself if you bought it with $100, but you wouldn't even be able to sell those $100. You put your order out there and the spread is probably ridiculous. You'd probably have to sell it at 50 cents in order to get a sale. So yeah, man, that one, you need more volume than that stock right there. The WBA may end up being kicked out of the long-term retirement portfolio. Over the past 5 years has been moving down, but forecasted price target is $32 to $33. It's got to show some strength to receive more portfolio dollars. Let's see. WBA. Let's see. WBA, is this one? Ooh, yeah, he's right. It has been moving down quite heavily over the last 5 years, 7 years, honestly. $74 highs. Thing is, though, man, you're right at these major levels of support. Dude, if it taps 16, let's put it here. Dude, if WBA taps this level right here, it could actually be an excellent, like, 30-year long entry. My goodness. I'd keep it on your watch list and keep an eye on that. This is like the lowest of the low that WBA has seen in the last 30-something years. Yeah, it would have to be a pretty hard hit for WBA to fall back down below that $16, $17 level. Hopefully it's going to reverse Robbie and move back up to the upside. It absolutely could. Bitcoin, 31,500 coming down, coming down, coming down. Now it's bouncing off that support line, Bree guy. It was nice to see you. Bye, everybody. We're freaking busy today. Have to turn the jets on. See you tomorrow. Chris, enjoy the last couple of minutes. Well, you don't have to enjoy the last couple of minutes of the live stream. Enjoy the last couple of minutes at work, man. Hit it hard. Get it done. Go home and relax. If TMC gets approval to go environmental protection, it's going to go up. They mine material for electric vehicle cars from ocean floor. Interesting. Robert. I did not know that they did that. I actually replaced TMC on the watch list with Apple this morning. So if we got a bunch of people that are interested in TMC, we could absolutely put it back on. All right. Whit Reed says the U.S. Court of Appeals has issued its highly anticipated order for the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to review Grayscale's spot Bitcoin ETF application. And hopefully, when they do review the Bitcoin spot ETF applications, they approve those applications and not deny those applications. I do not want to see Bitcoin ETFs getting denied. I want to see them going strong and going long. I see a drop and pop, baby. Let's get started. Michael, yeah, man, this profit taking that took place at the annual high right here at this level, we do have some support at this 31,500 mark. It had a little resistance before it broke through to the upside, but the actual support may have already been hit. Tapped it here, coming back down, tapping it here. We could see a double tap, and hey, if things start to turn negative, we might be on our way back down to 31.3. So just keep an eye on Bitcoin's price action. A lot of volatility today, but a lot of overall strength today as well, with Bitcoin up above 5%. That's why it's not gone yet. Frank, man, yeah, don't want to drop it. You don't want to drop it at that $17 range. Don't do that. If you drop it now, keep an eye on it. Maybe get back in at $17, but I wouldn't be dropping at that $17 range. Hey, Clay Ibanez, how are you? Glad to have you in here. Gonna be hard to get back up that tree after that burrito. Yeah, take an early day today, Kombu. Nah, man, don't do it. You can get back up that tree. Love Turner Classic Movies. There you go, Moji. Hilarious. I was listening in the Dollar General. Girl at the register recognized your voice. Said, "Is that Clay, bro?" I said, "Yep, I'm a mod. Tim, now a local Dollar General celebrity." Dude, if that is true, Tim, that is amazing, man. Oh my gosh. Tim, dude, if that's true, I have no idea who would be down there listening. Dang it. Tim, do you go into the Dollar General often? Because if you do, I will send you a shirt to give to I will send you a Clay Bro shirt. Because I got a lot of women's shirts, and I can just print one up right now. Tim, I'll send you a shirt, man. And you can tell her, Clay Bro sent her a shirt, and you can give it to her next time you go to that Dollar General. Dead serious, man. I have never run into anybody that's like, "Oh, hey, are you Clay Bro?" Never run into anybody like that. And, dude, if that's happening, man, I'll send you a shirt to give to her if you go into the Dollar General often. That's hilarious, man. Oh, my gosh. Tim's more bro famous than I am. That's crazy, Tim. I love it, dude. Let's see. I met someone at Walmart who said, "You're the dude from TikTok. Can I take a picture with you?" I was like, dang, when did I get famous? I was last year. What is happening, man? Nothing like this ever happens to me. Gecko headquarters. What is it? What are you talking about? Gecko headquarters. I don't even know. Shout out to the Dollar General girl. She's going places, baby. She actually is going places. If you guys can recognize my voice, that is absolutely crazy, man. And shout out to the Dollar General girl right now. You are going places. I love that, man. Dude, you guys just made my day and you didn't even know it. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. Oh, yeah, still waiting on my hoodie. AMC Trapper. I got it. Listen, I have, like, no guys close. I got, like, no guys close right now. I got a ton of girls close. I got 0 guys close. I might have, like, a large or an extra large t-shirt. But that's it. So I gotta get some guys close, dude. It is 5:01. Get your names in the chat right now, guys. We're gonna do some shout outs. We're gonna be back tonight with videos at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. Please watch them 100 times. Click the like button once. Make sure to leave 10 comments. All that good stuff. We got Dark Bro in the chat. Moji, Whit Reed, Dark Bro, the famous ones. Dark Bro! Thank you very much for the super chat. AMC Trapper saying, peace out of the diamond-handed apes. And still waiting on his hoodie. Frank Man, see you later. Bill Geis, and enjoy your day. We got Frank Man, Old Rounder Bro. See you later. Kai Kombu, Dark Bro. We got Moji. Forgot my cup. Peace out to you as well. Dark Bro. See you later. Woohoo! Indubitably enjoy it. AMC Trapper baby. Dark Bro, enjoy your day. Jeffrey, see you later, man. Old Rounder, Robbie Shoutin' Man, enjoy it. We got Crypto Master Bender. See you later. Gorilla Invictus. Whit Reed. Thank you very much for the member chat. Been around a couple of years now, but only a member for 2 months, and that is okay, Whit Reed. That is okay. I'm glad to see you got that green name, man. Loving it, and it's going to be another 2 years from now, and you're going to have your 24-month bro emblem in 2 years. Gorilla, boom, peace out to you, man. Quentin, enjoy your day. Holla at you, bro. I need some insight. Quentin, enjoy your day, man. See you later. Crypto Master Kai, Steve Dawson, enjoy it. J-Bones, baby. Moji, have a great day. Dark Bro, JB, Kai, ta-ta to you, the famous ones. Crypto Master, Michael, Tim, shout out to you. Shout out to the Dollar General girl. Michael, Steve, Crypto Master, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me, Kombu. Say it with me, Robert. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.